I'm Stephen Walters, the creator of The Wheel of Success. And today, my goal is to provide you with 5 key elements that can offer you greater meaning and purpose in your spiritual well-being. And just so you know, the spiritual well-being I'll be talking about is not about religion. Join me as we journey into the realm of spiritual wellness that can contribute to your deeper sense of connection and fulfillment. So, find a quiet place, embrace a moment of tranquility, and join me on this path to nourishing our spiritual well-being. Number 1, self-reflection and mindfulness. Spiritual wellness begins with self-reflection and cultivating mindfulness in our daily lives. It involves taking time to pause, observe our thoughts and emotions, and connect with our inner selves. By practicing self-reflection and mindfulness, we develop a heightened awareness and deepen our spiritual connection. Number 2, meaning and purpose. Spiritual wellness thrives when we explore our sense of meaning and purpose in life. It involves discovering what truly matters to us and aligning our actions with our core values. By living in alignment with our purpose, we find a deeper sense of fulfillment and meaning in our daily lives. Number 3, gratitude and appreciation. Spiritual wellness involves cultivating an attitude of gratitude and appreciating the beauty and abundance all around us. It means acknowledging and expressing gratitude for the blessings, both big and small, in our lives. By practicing gratitude, we can foster a much more positive outlook and deepen our connection with the world around us. Number 4, connection and community. Spiritual wellness flourishes when we foster connections with others and engage in a supportive community. It involves nurturing relationships based on empathy, compassion, and shared values. By connecting with like-minded individuals, we create a sense of belonging and find support on our spiritual journeys. Number 5, cultivating inner peace and stillness. Spiritual wellness requires carving out time for solitude, meditation, or contemplative practices. It involves finding moments of silence and stillness to quiet the mind, connect with our inner selves, and cultivate inner peace. By embracing moments of stillness, we tap into our spiritual essence and find serenity within. And there you have it. By practicing self-reflection and mindfulness, exploring meaning and purpose, cultivating gratitude and appreciation, fostering connections and community, and embracing inner peace and stillness, we nurture our spiritual well-being and find harmony within. Remember, spiritual wellness is a deeply personal journey, so let's embrace these elements and create a life jammed with spiritual fulfillment. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know how you cultivate spiritual wellness in your life. If you found that today's video was insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on upcoming content. Until next time, may you find inner peace, embrace the beauty of the present moment, and continue to nourish your spiritual essence. Take care, be well, and I'll see you online soon.